So in lesson 4 we are going to learn about how to evaluate expressions involving with exponents. Okay, so let's get started with getting ready. Basically we are going to review what we have learned in the previous lesson, lesson 3. Okay, so let's get started with this word problem. In going to Louisiana City, Mr. Romero traveled a distance of 240 kilometers in 4 hours. So he traveled from here to here, let's say from here to here to there, and the distance is 240 kilometers. Okay, the distance is 240 kilometers, and he traveled that distance in 4 hours. 4 hours. So what is his average speed? How can we find the speed? Well, we have the formula. The speed is distance divided by time taken. Okay, time taken for the travel. Time taken. So, well, to find the speed, we need to know the distance and the time taken, right? But we already know the values for that. So what we need to do is just plug in the numbers. Speed is, distance is what? 240 kilometers, right? 240 kilometers divided by 4 hours, right? Then speed is 60 kilometers per hour. Okay, so I mean, evaluating these algebraic expressions is very similar to solving for speed, right? So you just need to substitute a given value for the constant. And in the previous lesson we have basically done these kind of things, right? Let's see, 3x minus 2y. If we have this kind of mathematical expression, and we are also given that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5, if we are given those values, x for 4, y for 5, then how can we find the value for this mathematical expression? Well, we plug in x for 4, right, and y for 5. So 3 times 4 minus 2 times 5, correct? So 3 times 4 is 12, minus 2 times 5 is 10, so we get 2, right? So basically these are the things that we have learned in the previous lesson, and now we are going to learn a little bit harder concept. So I'm going to teach you that in the let's discuss part.